Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of cleaning up after your robot vacuum, only to have it run out of space again? Well, say goodbye to that hassle with the DREAME D20 Plus robot vacuum and mop. This game-changing device can go for an incredible 150 days without needing its dustbin emptied, thanks to its massive 5L dust bag that auto-empties for you. Imagine the feel of coming home to a spotless floor, with no mess or dirt in sight, and the sound of silence as the D20 Plus works its magic. The DREAME D20 Plus is a top-rated favorite among many customers, and for good reason. With its 13,000 pascals suction power and DuoBrush technology, it picks up dirt, dust, and even tangled hair with ease, leaving your floors feeling smooth and looking brand new. The DuoBrush grabs long hair and pet fur like a pro, no more messy rollers to clean, and the strong suction power is like a breath of fresh air for your floors. But that's not all. This vacuum and mop combo can tackle big cleanups with its 500 ml dustbin and 350 ml water tank, giving you the flexibility to customize water and suction levels to suit your needs. Plus, with smart mapping technology, you can create editable maps of your home and set no-go zones, so every corner gets cleaned, every time. The D20 Plus is also voice and app controlled, so you can start a cleaning schedule or adjust settings with just a few words or taps. Whether you're a busy family, a pet owner, or just someone who hates cleaning bins every few days, this device is a total lifesaver. The advanced Pathfinder tech creates precise maps of your home, so you can see exactly where the D20 Plus has cleaned, and the result is a floor that feels like new. In real-life use, the DREAME D20 Plus has been a total rockstar, handling if this helped, hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.